Sammy Gyamfi. Brian, can you defend that money you gave to Agrada? Can you defend it? Mama Agrada Dina. Now Sammy Gyamfi watch a bono. $17,090. Sammy Gyamfi watch a bonus. The Rolex no, $17,090. The party for soldier now defend the way out because thousand kula Bishop Ajina sorry, waka because yes, St. George area ba wa sorry hono. Wanga senya mi so wo mu a St. George etuano and kwama national security for investigating. You know what I'm saying? I dey akoma gradeska. Now they want it over $21,000 out of phone TV so no. Dey no maya no. Felix Ofosu Kwakye phone or TV so no. Phone back home e beti ya boni patent betri. Phone na 11,000 by nyame adom.
Abusia likely say Sammy Gyamfi betimi losing the position. Say oye acting CEO at the Ghana Gold Board. Ewo sika okoche ye maami Agrada ne akom ne munjiri mu Agrada aba live. Aba be mu se eye sika ode che no eye NDC fo mpanimfo bi ya. Ebiemu nso position a ye de ama Sammy Gyamfi no eye mpanimfo bi ya ewo party no no mo wo ho. Me na meka say de yasem Sammy Gyamfi e de aba Jubilee House and as Flagstaff House so mra na o mechire ba bi onya sa dollar no so ye acting CEO onya sa sika no etem bi e de ma ye maami o membe chire mu mene eni etutu aka ne nsem na so aye hye ensem foforo bi nso ka ho amede ebro mesrew se oba no subscribe na busuya no atimi akoso aye kesena before amede Sammy Gyamfi ni nsem ene na mabonti ni bi de ebebro no Charistic Company Limited zame shane zaje capsules no kwaji bi oyo oba na ohwe me wutie mi afo aso fe me so oba aya na edu mfichi kwachi ya oti ya wuti pens kwaso fiduan mu bro no so obi atumi to nkaso akọ mfichi ko moja anka echese eflo edema ewo nse buom na ma eba nso 2-3 days to thoughts na etwa akwaji impenifo endro ibi oba entrama ode bu amenka sent emo wase kwaji impenifo endro ibi na omo hindi eba mesha no uyo obi a malaria fever typhoid diabetes o blood pressure ni ade typhoid amfedo wase kikabi kire wase yade bone wampa no akira kwa ampa no adure be kan atofom kwaji mpanimfo ndo ye deda usku na endo ya mabuboso yi FDA ayumaja tum say ye open do to akofamasi herbal store sa onsa ebe mpanimfo ndo ya eda usku ebi awusia yamra yensam ni so nti from Saturday na eye Sammy Gyamfi eche ye maame Agrada oche ni scan ni din agentre ha wo internet super waiting tankese no so emma ebra oche ni sika wie ya video ni so ba ye pe NDC party foot soldiers omatiko omadwa kiremu se ye kura ye party no anase ye bo ama party no ba power no ye nya ahweme no nam so Afia stadium ehu video no so no wakasa etia ye maame Agrada
de obre no die ana ye beto aba osi odi obi achi ekoye campaign wonu kure se di pakura Agrada kure di pakura se nyame na oso onim no na yi kire se ba omi abewene Agrada di pakura ya so se abradie bi o te South Africa na be convince dem an ekoye campaign MPP Agrada kure si nyame ye che wa beto aba ma president ma na nkukon kitikiti na o ye pasia Agrada na video no abonte Agrada edi abrantie a nyakopon yi na pia ye woda chi papa onum se wura Sammy Gyamfi me fa kwanye so aka kire minu na NDC fo nyina se Sammy Gyamfi de de NDC atemu nyina gide na nim se ye ntweri tiri en fa sacrifice me NDC ya na natwebu akodi ya tigi akire mama Santemai enti enam konfo Agrada aso na se ye boss Sammy Gyamfi asemi mo mini bibi a meka se onipa nyina hwe nkotodwa mabui ma de sere de se Sammy Gyamfi wodaachi e wo politics mama me hwe de konfo Agrada na anu ye ni ogira ba omi achi enchesi owura Sammy Gyamfi enkoreka won kwaji sika emma ye nyina ye nsa ebirum fa ye wre nkohye sabi de Agrada na meso a ye kafa Sammy Gyamfi ni ye mo na senuem waye de hye ye pe ye pe mama ye joy na atamfo mani age enam konfo Agrada sika okwaji free ye wura Sammy Gyamfi ro Agrada fa kwa bi su bebrebe eno ye Facebook live eno go jana so dem kase NDC be di 8 years whatever Agrada ya o kase John Mahama me president na oto abama na o kofa celebrate o kofa emaba wan kitwan
Abusia enyo anonko ane bukomba nko ane oso o kyeremu so ye ndisi ni abrantie nso aba be kasa one ne yere aye video de ama Sammy Gyamfi so onre no yi epan wa grada ho se fi se maame no o ye poisonous.
Sammy Gyamfi, this time Ghana politics are changed. You are respect man, you are university graduate, people respect you for the nation, and these people are respect you. This time Ghana politics are changed. If you want to give somebody money, if you touch somebody money like this, don't do it in public, otherwise people will talk. You must do it like this from here, and the Ghana people don't see, because when you see, they will talk negative about you. Right now you see Sammy Gyamfi, you are NDC member, we respect you. Right now you write letter for apologize for NDC. We agree the letter. Next time, don't do that again. Sammy Gyamfi, I beg you. You know MPP people are talking. They do big news. Or small little big news. Small thing, big news. So Sammy Gyamfi, we respect you. Don't do that again. That Akada, I bet you know he dey insult mama. He dey insult mama. Me and they call you, no pick my call. Sammy Gyamfi, I respect you a lot. So, I beg you.
Na ena meka say kra de chief of staff Yewura Julius Debra asemon Sammy Gyamfi so mena Jubilee House wo me kire baabi ya wonya sika no edi free ya watumi etambi ede amaye maame agrada ma asemon de sene American kan bebre na wate wo internet kasa homa ne so ma ene Afia Schwar snega sande mfo ensemfo fro so asamba bebo mu girum ze sika ho de ma agrada no kra de iso ne yire asewani
eni bianti amobuafu. Say one man grad 1,000, so man 800, so man 2,000 bofu. Felix Ofosu Kwakye phone or TV so no. Etimi body phone back home. Ebeti ya boni pa 10 battery. Ame biaka. Aye. Ene kwa dollar ne so ate no. Me pa cho bo $10,865 bo. Phone na buy na 11,000 be say na me adom. And the price na tiaba. Phone ni enye and your phone in ye. Now, some a boy, Felix Ofosu Kwakye will cry Miano no cry. And to me, say, baby, I was somebody more before Fano. Mon fan found I'm with before, and then I'm a murder and some mobile menstruation pad. I dare come my grandeska. Now, they want it over $21,000 out of phone TV. No, dear Mayano. Phone and your phone, the craft Felix, no. Enye phone ankasa enye enti monto mobona mo ma bufuo ni nko ba bia wose eko sa na mpese me ka kire mo aza bufuo no mo divert e bufuo ni bisa mo focus e bufuo no on the right angle. Felix Ofosu Kwakye phone eni aya no the best TVs our color when on sour and black ni bu oni eni ba to mun keep your phone on focus mun focus on the phone no na mun ya isa sa bu phone no ye hu de mu ye ade Sammy Gyamfi ana phone no mun na bu ma ba chrem mun de mu hu ye ma mun transa ne me na mengogo na me fa price ne mremo ma betchere mo wonim ne bo ma betchere mo sem wonim ti say dem mo ye $2,000 won de ya mo di nkrofo ma me no matam ti say de Sammy Gyamfi aye bibia ma na say ya phone mo nya we on you saw not the phone you saw not mo nya phone ne bo enti e kwa no na ya mo say party full soldiers. And this man be Nini have a fair party for no was who we a fool FOOL soldiers and your foot nam say yes and man so anti me batch of full soldiers before no man misplace more focus here before no on the right place on the right. Baby, I'm with you before the name. I'm wrong. I say, you were before the year. Munim phone ne boa ma be ka kire mo. Munim phone ne boa. Sikani die.
Our money, when I'm money, our money, when I'm money.
This is what you had to say about His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Sammy Gyamfi, this is what you had to say about Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Well, it's very laughable. And I say so because Ghanaians are wild awake.
Ghanaians.
The days when Dr. Bawumia could get away with his lectures, as we saw in opposition, at which he peddled obvious untruths, lies, textbook economic theories that had no practical basis to hoodwink the people of this country for their votes are long gone. That is the bad news I have for Bawumia. He got away with it in 2016. He got away in 2020. But I'm here to tell them that they will not be third time lucky in 2024 because Bawumia has been unmasked.
Now my question to Honorable Sammy Gyamfi. Can you defend that money you gave to Agrada? Can you defend it? And I say, oh, now me cry me refi. Sammy Gyamfi another gold bond. Now when him say gold nigga am say bribe me and $300 cities or $300. Wow. What's will be embodiment of lies, Sammy? Also will be an embodiment of lies. Can you tell us where you got that money from? Or you can explain? Can you explain, Sammy? Can you explain that money? Sammy, will you be able to explain? Acting Chief Executive Officer, Ghana Gold. You're not famano. Acting officer here. Acting. We must all acting. You're not famano. You're the money there. Money they are chopping. Full soldiers munyabi. I'm sorry. Joyce a bag in India. Joyce a bag. Equivalent to almost 42,000. Food soldiers and then may mamu free evidence because as a mabufu no enyam call soro mame party food soldiers and this for and I mean with the show no yeah mamu so evidence no me go so the biba no me patch on the Rolex no $17,090. But Sammy Gyamfi watch a bonus. Party for soldiers, Mabufu na wechepa. Munim said they are bufuana. Mama me said me ba ma original prices. When them na me bo mi timu kwa Ghana we be da ho. Original price. Bra watch a wo de bo kwa adwuma no. Enie. Na bono no. Price in the bono. I am not making this shit up. Ne watch a bono. I have $17,090. Authentic. The only websites are many Afia making them Sasha Jim Park. I told say right now they are the most authentic in Ghana web. For Ghana web, ne cover the cost of Sammy Gyamfi's watch. Video. If you are not seeing the picture clear on my screen, just pop it. Rolex no, I have $17,090. And the party for soldiers, Sikano the man grad and Tony watch. Somebody, Moma grad dinner. Now Sammy Gyamfi watch a bono no, I have $17,090. You can cry, but the high-end watch normally costs $20,000 499, but now it is available on sale for $17,090. And to watch Nagasano, original price no crown, 20,499. Aye, Rolex. The party for soldier now defend the way out because stars and Krawunya. Party for soldier about defend the way. Sammy Gyamfi bought 17,000. Na enyo BS Jimmy na what Jimmy a come na do wunya insuni. Party for soldier be about Pasiana way. Ye did you say no one on to Mobua Funo. If you can't stand and leave the platform, Prophet, Chim, or you for Kasa, or see if you can't stand me for Kanako. And the party for soldier Sam Mobua Funi there. Watch no medina mamo. Medi Ofosu Kwakye phone mamo. And now so the mamo information baby as Sammy Gyamfi ni water week. Hair by Jim. Feeling to be January or then mean because by Chinese food soldiers, no Sammy Gyamfi pair, fellows of Ofosu Kwakye be. Me read the lesson public opulence show of spending our money. Bishop Duncan Williams, are you there? Prophet also empowering. Prophet also empower, or Isaac also empowering. John Mahama, manage 16 regions. Now do you know manage Kaswa? Bishop Ajinasare, Wakawan because yes, St. George area, but was sorry, one gasa senya mi so wo mu a enka St. George Etiano and Kwama national security for investigating. You know what I'm saying? What cry you will not have anything to say because amount of St. George they share the Pumubera ono. If you were God-fearing pastor, you ask him where the source of that money is coming from and possibly have him investigated. But a national cake and a do a software so. Who am I to blame? Now who read the answer? Nyamiachi wa dey your chrono. Until Sunday sorry busa so for say illegal connection wire. The anti nyamiti umpa na make cho baby akobo pie no. O why illegal connection? And chrono your chrono. Oh Prophet Roger. On your software ya so for boy. Sa so for ni pe obi akojimia. Near Sumano, now so you say, make us off for say, Major Shakwasi and Penny the Abdicum Church and the Medikai. Then Quasia for until you feel. Sam Kwanjaka, are you seeing what we are all seeing? And I will be about them no preaching or quotation, be a soft, Kum Church and the church members when I saw them saying. That Ben was a Kum Church of Bible, Jina sorry them, preaching. Eji akrasa ya ne one movie that baby as one movie that yeah can so for na wo kan say kan kwase afo yeah and that's one wo kwa so wo kum church ho and grad that crab 2 weeks mo one grad church members why na kwa kum church na so then say wa boda mo bi amfa ni serious on wo dia so for achi ejimi ma wo which is normal yen na yon grofo a ye peka kama mo po bi akojimi a that's on so for
abusia na ensem ni bi eno na ne ensem no se na medical kanade entre ha me na make say agrada nso aba life no krada so a ekoso amedi exclusive ni bi ede ebebru be chirum se wanhwe yi obeton na asore no de emusika ni bi ede ama Sammy Gyamfi media exclusive no nso ede bebro mesrew se oba no subscribe na abusia na timi akwaso aikes na before mekra meja mo ame akono Charistic Company Limited za me shane za agi capsules no kwaji bi uyo obi a bema edun fi na busuya no atimi akwaso ayekes na before meja mo mekra mo ame akono Charistic Company Limited ndro za me shane za agi capsules no kwaji bi bema uyo obi apese o gina so wagoprama so do yiru komtu a kanchima kompamsisi na ho asane agufoma zaman capsules no be mo gina so bra ne ndro ya ma bosu FDA awem adi atum se ye open do to akofoma se ever stores a onsa abeke mpanifo ndro bi FM dan Kwesi Prince Macau.